Hi guys, this is Ben. I wanted to show you how to set up the Xerox app gallery. So what you'll do is just go ahead and hit the Xerox app gallery icon. And if you don't have an account set up already, you'll put in request an account, and then you'll put in your email address. Then you will be sent the instructions on setting up an account to the email address that you provided. So you will receive an email like this, and then what you'll want to do is click on this link. Then you will receive a window pop-up here. Then you'll select I agree. Then you'll go ahead and create a username and password. So I'm just going to do PDS demo. And put in a password twice. Then add your first name, last name, and company name. Select your country. Hit OK. Then you'll go ahead and sign in. There you go. It's successfully been created and activated. So now let's go ahead and go back to the Xerox machine. This is the web page of the app gallery that you can see from your browser. And you can load devices from here as well if you wanted to and push them out to the device. So you could select the devices, go ahead and add, and then you could type in the IP address, username, and password of the device and then add them here. Or you can go ahead and go straight to the device here and sign into the app gallery and then install them right from the machine. I'll go over the more advanced installing them from your browser later, because then you could push it out to multiple devices. So we'll go ahead and sign in here, PDS demo, put in the password. Hit OK. It may run through an update on the app. That's completely normal. So it's going to update it to the very latest version. And once it's complete, you hit exit, and then you'll restart the app. Here we go. So we should be signed in. Let's double check. I'll go ahead and sign in again. There you have it. We're signed in as PDS, and it shows all the apps available, and then any of the apps that are already installed. You can go ahead and update your apps right from here. So we'll go ahead and make sure it's the latest update. It's just really like the App Store on your iPhone or your Android. So same concept. I'm going to go ahead and go back to all the apps. A few of the apps I would install right away are the Print by Xerox and then the Billboard app. It's really a very cool app that will display a screensaver on your Xerox machine. so you can add any messages right on the device. We'll go over that in later tutorials. Let's see what else here. I would go ahead and do the Dropbox. Hit I agree. So pretty quick and seamless process to install the apps. You don't really have to have a lot of technical know-how. Just need to be able to sign in to the account and then load the apps. So we're going to go ahead and load some of the more popular ones, like print and scan to Google Drive. And then the Xerox Easy Translate is another one that comes in handy. This will basically translate any document you scan, any language, English, Chinese, Spanish, into whatever language that you want. And it's very accurate. Okay, there you have it. So we can now go back to the home screen, and there are all the apps available. So then you'll just go ahead and sign in to the app. And then scan or print right from Dropbox or Google Drive or whatever you have set up. Enter the password. Super secure password. And you will need to sign in every time you do access the device to your Dropbox account. Then you can print from Dropbox or scan to Dropbox. So I've got an example here. App gallery brochure I want to print off. Then you can choose single-sided, two-sided, and black and white or color, how many copies that you want. Hit print, and there you have it. It's going to print right to the device. Basically you can walk up to any of the Xerox devices, and it will essentially allow you to sign into any account on any Xerox device on any floor and print or scan any of your documents that you have in Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, SharePoint, whatever document management or a scanning or a syncing app that you have. So there you have it. And then you can go ahead and scan to as a PDF or JPEG right into the folder as well. So another app that I would go ahead and use right away, this is free, is Print by Xerox. And this app is really great. If you don't have an account set up, all you have to do is email a document right to print at printbyxerox.com. So if you have a login, you can log in here to Print by Xerox. If you don't, just sending an email to this will automatically set you up an account and initiate you to create a login. So I already have an account set up here, so we'll go ahead and do my email. Hit OK. And then my super secure password. And it will go ahead and log in. So see how cool this is? I forwarded this email with an attachment to print at printbyxerox.com. And here are all my documents. So I could do that if I'm at home, or you say I need to print this off at the office at some point, and I don't want to think about it. I don't want to have to remember when I get to the office I need to print, or I need to log into my computer to go to print it, or say you have a receipt you just want to send or forward to that email. As long as it's coming from your email address, then it will all be in the same account. So see, this is my B. DeVries email. And so you can choose what you want to print. So I just want to go ahead and print this, this attachment. So you can go ahead and select print settings, choose color, whether you want it to staple, how many copies that you want, and then just hit print. So it's sending it right to the Xerox. So just think of how you could use this. So if you're at any of the Xerox devices in your building, no matter what floor it is, as long as this app's installed on your Xerox devices, you walk up to whatever device you want. You don't have to be on the Wi-Fi. You just sign into your account and print off your document, and you are good to go. Now, if you don't see your app gallery icon here, you just need to go to device and then make sure you log in. So the default is admin, and then that's the username, and then the password is 1111. Super secure again. Then what you'll do is go down to Tools. Then you go to App Settings, Display. Then you'll see on the very bottom is the app gallery. Actually, on this device, it's right here. So usually this will be unchecked. So you just go ahead and check it and then hit OK. And then you could remove any of the other buttons on there if you wanted to. Like, I'm going to go ahead and put fax on there. And then everything else looks good. Yeah, workflow scanning emails there. And then all the rest of the apps are on there. So let's go ahead and hit OK. Then it's going to go ahead and register it and put it on the machine's interface. So that's it. That's all you have to do. And the apps are all set up. I'll come back around and do another video and show you kind of how to use the Billboard app. And but the other apps are pretty self-explanatory. You basically sign in and choose your document and print, or scan right to it. That's it. Thanks. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at ben@pds-co.com.